And family now mourning one local couple swept away by the floodwaters. Our Caroline Vandergriff continuing our coverage live in the newsroom. Tell us more about this couple.
Doug, Jeff and Tanya Ramsey lived in Lewisville, but were enjoying a 4th of July weekend getaway in Kerrville. I'm told they were staying in a camper at an RV park when the river began to rise so rapidly. But before this couple was swept away by floodwaters, they were able to call and warn other family members who were staying at different campsites on the same property, which likely saved their lives. And that's why their friends are calling them heroes today. They say Tanya was a strong woman, a breast cancer survivor who went on to work for Wigs.com. Jeff volunteered at the Adaptive Training Foundation, a gym for veterans and others with physical disabilities. Their friend Trent Fielder told me Jeff spent every waking moment of his life trying to uplift, support, and care for others before himself. He was a servant of hope. Tanya was the perfect complement to Jeff. She only helped him become, as a spouse should, the best version of himself. He loved her with everything he had, and whatever peace could be found in those tragic moments, they gave to each other. Fielder just got back to this area today, actually. He spent the last several days searching for the Ramseys amidst the debris in the water. He's obviously exhausted and heartbroken today, but he told me he's more determined than ever to carry their legacy of service forward. Doug?
Wow. It's mind-boggling every day, a new story, and this is among them. Caroline, thanks so very much.